right, here's something I thought was interesting. When we talk in fuel injectors, here's all 8 on the bench, right? Now check out O-rings. These are brand new. This is a Felpro gasket kit, so these are pretty top notch. Got like pink, blue, orange. Now if you go through the injectors, we got pink, orange, black, white, black, pink, blah blah blah. As you can see, like you can tell the history of this vehicle of like what they've touched. And which one was it? So I'll just do number 2 over here. Number 2 is a brown top, right? So that's a traditional factory one. You come over here to number 5. Yeah, number 5 actually has a whole different top on top, like this little metal plate. You can tell somebody has put this in. This must be remanufactured. Also has new O-rings on it, so I figure it has to be. But you can also check based off your tips. Number 2 is super clean. There's some varnish here, which is no big deal. It just kind of happens. When you get to, I'm going past it. Which one was it? Oh, here it is. Number 3 has a little bit of rust on there. And I'm like, I wonder why. Hopefully not coolant going past the injector cup. But number, what is that, 7? It's got this nasty, like, slimy crap all over it. Jizzing all over there. I hope I don't have a bad injector cup on number 7. That would be a cunt to change, but I don't know. Keep you posted. Seems pretty easy so far. Not too bad.